Because, yes, I was questioned during a meeting with the government about my cooking ability, because there is a Charles Palmer who is a chef. And no, that's not me. At IBM, we had an issue where somebody came in, and one of my colleagues who interviewed him said, "But no, he's a devil worshiper or something. I don't know what it was. Pick your favorite unusual activity." And we looked at it. Actually, no, that's what somebody said about him in a forum, and we have no way of knowing it was or not. So, and then another ethical question comes up. You're interviewing this person. Do you ask them? So and so says you're a lunatic and whatever. Do you dare? I don't know.
Well, and of course, in certain settings, there are rules about what you can and cannot ask a job applicant. So about marital status and religion and number of children and all kinds of things. And if that's going to come up on the Facebook page, well, suddenly you now know all of that information that was illegal for you to ask about.
Well, that's also driven by context. As it turns out, case law in this country is set up so that if you're trying to come into the country, a lot of those restricted questions are not restricted.
No, right.
And
well,
so
this is in the
it's kind of gotten, it's on the edges, it's kind of weird, but international corporations, what do you do? Do you ask the questions or do you not? It's exciting.
The chief issue that I see there from a corporate hiring perspective is, and this goes very much back to the questions of educating people and having discussions and dialogue around this. But I think one of the issues that arises there is that there really is there are different expectations between different generations, and I'm sure there are examples of this in history too at different times, but you really see that at the moment rather poignantly between those that are running corporations and are, let's just say 45 to 65 or something like that, and those that are coming into the workforce and are between 20 and 30. And the kind of very different expectations. And I think for corporations there's a real question there that goes far beyond the employment piece. But how do you blend those? And how do you make real use of the talents and innovation, et cetera, that the younger set brings, and yet blend that in and arrive at kind of I'll call it a common agreement about what your culture is in your particular organization.
I want to pick up on that, although I just wanted to throw out one other issue that's related to the first, but is exactly